Hi guys, this is Shivansh Goel from Texas and Company, and today I am going to discuss about culpable homicide and murder. So first of all, culpable homicide is basically defined under Section 299 of the Indian Penal Code Act, under which person has intention either to cause death or or, or to cause such bodily injury that can cause death of that particular person. So this is culpable homicide, and 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 if a person commits culpable homicide, then he would be liable for imprisonment of lifetime, or he can be given imprisonment for the period of 10 years, which can be extended up to fine. Suppose I have intention to kill B. When I have shooted to to uh, to B, then he was not dead, but but his left side was fully paralyzed. Under under this case, I have committed the offense of culpable homicide. So so this is culpable homicide. Then comes murder, and under this, the person has full intention to cause death of that particular person. Suppose I have full intention to kill B, so I have fired bullet from my pistol from my pistol so as to cause death to B, and due to my uh, his act, B died instantly. So under this case, I am liable for the offense of culpable. Sorry. So under this case, I am liable for the offense of murder, and its punishment is basically defined under section 302 of the Indian Penal Code Act, which is imprisonment for lifetime. Uh, then comes and then comes the offense of culpable homicide, which 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 does not amount to murder. So under this case, the offense of culpable homicide is is completed, but death of that person does not takes place. So so uh, so this is basically culpable homicide, which does not amount to murder, because under this case person is not died. So its punishment is basically defined under section 304 of the Indian Penal Code Act and its punishment is 10 years, which can be extended up to lifetime plus fine. Then comes attempt to commit murder, under which person has full intention to kill that particular person, but he fails to do that. Then under that case, offense of murder basically takes place, and its punishment is 10 years full imprisonment. Then comes abatement to murder, all culpable homicide. It is basically defined under section. It is basically defined under section 309, under which a person instigate that particular person to kill. Suppose I have instigated B to kill C, due to which B kills C. So under this case, I am liable for abatement of murder. So I would be liable for punishment of 10 years. Then comes then then comes causing death by negligence. It it can be caused either by negligent act or through rash driving. So its punishment is basically 2 years, which can be extended up to lifetime. So guys, this was all about this was all about a brief about culpable homicide and murder. And if you have any doubt, then you can ask in the comment section.